Hello everybody! What a day to be out, am I right? Remember to stay hydrated, get the sun cream on. Today I'm going to show you an automatic Carado 2020 T337. Said it in the wrong order, but you get the gist. Come on and I'll show you. First you have your 16-inch alloy wheels. Now, to say it correctly, this is a 2020 Carado T337, so I've already corrected myself. You don't need to in the comments. You also have your electric welcome step, your full length awning and awning light. Now this layout has high singles above a garage, and it is a big garage. Take a look at that. How many bikes could you fit in there? You won't have to worry, because we've also got a bike rack on it. On the back you also have your reverse camera there as well. Right, it's too hot. Come on, let's go inside. So here we are inside. In weather like this, what's always very handy is this actually comes with aircon. So there's a nice breeze coming through here now. Come on up the front of the cab and I'll show you the rest here. So up here you have your multimedia system and your reverse cameras built in there as well. Of course you have your cab aircon. This is a 9-speed automatic. You also have your USB ports and your 12 volt. This also comes with Bluetooth connectivity. And over on your steering wheel you also have cruise control and a speed limiter. Now this is a 4-belt, this making up one of your bedding areas. And here is your kitchen over here. So you have your 3 gas hob, your combined oven and grill just down here, and then your under the counter fridge with a separate freezer box just in here. You have a ton of storage in this motorhome, but it's also very compact as well. Now this motorhome comes with a TV on a TV bracket as well as a TV aerial. You'll see above me there's some lovely sunlights, real nice to get the breeze in weather like this. In here you have your combined shower and toilet area. Now it's a wee bit different than normal, so I'll come and show you here. So here is your toilet side, and when you're ready to have a shower you just hit this lever down here and that pulls across like so. I always find it so interesting, the different quirks of every motorhome. And just like that, it slots back into place. And you have your toilet set up again. The purpose of this is to keep your wood finishes protected. It means that it's only plastic whenever you're showering, and these stay fresh for you. So back here is your high singles above your garage. Like that's just the phrase. Really though, this can also convert into almost like a king size double bed. And it's as simple as pulling this piece out. Come on over and we'll show you here. So you just pull out this piece of wood, slot your added pillow in, and there you have it. A huge king size bed. Wonderful. So there we have it, folks. That was our automatic 2020 Carado T337. If you'd like to see anything else, any other vehicles, how the front bed folds out, please drop me a message either in the comments. You can message me directly. You can drop me an email at marketing@thompsonleisure.com. Alternatively, you can give us a call on 028 92 69 3999. And remember to stay hydrated.